Hello friends, welcome back to Tech by our YouTube channel. Last time we have discussed the syllabus of our HTML series and today we are starting with introduction to HTML. First of all, what is HTML? HTML is hypertext markup language used to structure a web page and its content. It tells our browser how to showcase text images on a web page. With HTML, you can create your own website. So why you should learn HTML? So if you want to become a web developer, knowing HTML and CSS makes it easier for you to learn other coding languages too. Now let's talk about editors. What are editors? Editors are the software used for editing and creating code. There are many HTML editors available. Most commonly used HTML editors are Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime Text, Atom, Visual Studio Code. But highly recommended editor is Visual Studio Code. And we are going to use this. Let's see structure of our HTML page. So it starts with the angular bracket inside which HTML is written. So inside angular brackets and it is closed with forward slash. So forward slash means closing the tag. So it starts with HTML tag. Then inside HTML there will be head tag inside which it will be title tag in which we give title to our web page. After head tag there will be body tag inside which we write all other tags like heading, paragraph, etc. After body tag, we close our HTML tag by putting forward slash on angular brackets. Moving forward, let's see most commonly used HTML tags. So first is doc type. Doc type basically tells the version of HTML which we are using. So in this case we are using HTML5. Next comes our HTML tag which opens the page. You should not write any code after closing of HTML tag. All the code should be written inside HTML tag only. Next is head tag which is a container for following elements like style, title, link, script, etc. Next is title tag which defines the title of the document, after which body tag which defines the body of our document, and next is headings, that is H1 to H6 are the headings, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. So these are 6 type of headings which we can give. And next is P tag which is for paragraph. Now let's create our first page, Hello World, using Visual Studio Code editor. So this is our Visual Studio Code. You can easily install this Visual Studio Code by just searching Visual Studio Code download on browser. Here I have already created one folder named Tech. From the options available here, let us create one file naming it as index.html. .htm and .html are the extensions of HTML. After writing index.html, hit on enter and one new file is created inside which we are going to write our code. So let's start with opening and closing of HTML tags. Let me zoom it for you so that you can see clearly. So now we are taking title tag so that we can give title to our document. So giving home page as title. You must be wondering why we should use Visual Studio Code only, as there are many editors available. So let me show you beauty of Visual Studio Code. Here I am only typing it as body and hitting on enter. The opening and closing tags appeared automatically. Due to this auto generation, it becomes easier and faster for us to write our code. Inside body tag, we have taken H1 tag which is heading 1 tag in which we are gonna write as Hello World. Now for saving this file, press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. To execute this code, go to extension part here and search for live server. Click on install for installing this live server. After installing it, right click on your file and click on open with live server. As you can see, our first web page has been created. This is our title, that is home page, and this is our heading, that is hello world. One more way to execute this code is by clicking on it and copying the path and pasting it to our Chrome browser. If you loved the video, share it with your friends and subscribe Tech by RR for more such amazing videos.
You're a superhero.